exercises. I just do 1 or 2 questions, and even in future within another 1 or 2 days I have idea to what is that the post more videos for y'all, so you can get a proper idea about the lessons, right? Okay, so look at this one. According to this right angle triangle, so I think you can see the screen. Right angle triangle, here you have the right angle triangle, right angle. Opposite to that we call hypotenuse. What is the hypotenuse in this one? This length P. That means here this is the hypotenuse side, no? This is the hypotenuse side, but we know that one, the length of that one is P. So what we should do it first, take the length of that one and make it square. So we know that one. Here we need to draw a square and take the area. Those things no need. Very easy base. But if it's P, make it P squared. So I'll write it here. Look at it. P squared. It's equal to other two sides lengths are there. No? One is A. So I should write it A squared. We should add. And here we have R. So I should write it R squared. So what is the answer? P squared is equal to A squared plus R squared. Finish. That's all. Very easy. Next one. Okay, I didn't say it's easy. I'm not going to say it's easy. You decide it. Okay, next one. If we have a right angle triangle, right angle, here opposite that one hypotenuse, we have x. So we call x squared. It's equal to sum of addition of other two sides squared. What is that? Here we have y squared. So I write it, it's y squared. And the other one we write it, it's what? Z squares, z squares. Can you understand? I hope everyone you understood. Okay, good. So we'll move to the next one. It's like this. So what is that? So you can just again and again watch this video, no problem. So I'll just go a little fast. You can just, what is that? If you can understand again, the when it again go back and go through that one. Here you just go through that one and you can understand. Okay, so don't decide it's too fast, because I have idea within 10 minutes or within 14 minutes, 15 minutes, finish the right. So this video clip. Okay, look at the next one. What we should do it. What I'm going to do it, yeah, in this one, I'll move to the third question. Now they given the length with the numerical, that means numbers. Okay, so what is the hypotenuse side? In this one, hypotenuse side is what? Opposite to 90. That means it's 10. Okay, good. So what I'm going to write it, 10 squared is equal to 10 squared, 10 into 10, 10 squared, it's equal to sum of other two side squares. What are they? One is 6 squared, other one is 8 squared. So what is the answer? If you want, you can simplify it, but they didn't say simplify. They asked only what is that, write the relationship. If you want, you can simplify it. You can understand 10 into 10, it comes 100. 6 into 6, it comes 36. 8 into 8, it comes 64. 64 and 36, it's equal to 100. Correct, no? So both sides are 100 and he also 100. So no need to do these things, because we don't want to show you 100 is equal to 100. They ask you to write the relationship. That's all, finished. This is where is the answer. So what is the answer for this one? Question number 4, row number 4. Help me. Opposite to the 90. First, every time you have to go and select the right angle. That's the first work. Right angle. This is opposite to that one. It's y. So we call y squared. It's equal to other two side squares. That means x squared plus 3 squared. I hope you understood. Right, so grade 9 students, and even you all advanced students, you have good knowledge. What you want to do it, just again and again polish your knowledge. Polish it means already you have. So what do you want to do it, you have to polish and make it shine. That's all. So lie that way while you're working. Even if you work with me, you all know that one. So this video clip that I'll just, what is that, the for you, I'll just give you. So I can't just do it everything in what is at the YouTube, but just some when I got the free time, right? So even I'm just thinking it's more than that, means it's past 11 o'clock. So even the next week I have this time another class. Okay, however, so while I get the free time, so I decided, okay, I'll give some, what is that, the video clips for you all, so get an idea about the lesson. Okay, however, the next one, what we want to do it, it's about this question. Shall I do it? Another one. We'll move to the, wait, give me a second. Well. Okay. Right. So, yes. We'll say the question number, which one? So, shall we just move to the little hard question. What you are thinking? Okay, so shall I do this one? So I'm not going to be just do everything I told you. So I just select this question and I'll do it. This one. So what I'm going to do it this question. In this question, you can understand question number 3, row number 3. So according to that one, you know that how to find the answer for these things. Look at it. Here we have 4 right angle triangles. 4. So I'll put the names. One is 1. Here I'll put it 2. Here I'll put it 3. And this is this is 4. So AD squared. First go and find it. Where's AD? This is AD. This is AD. So it's the hypotenuse of this 90, this triangle. So ADO triangle number 1, triangle number 1. Okay, ADO triangle, the hypotenuse is AD squared. What is the other two sides? Other two side is OD and what? AO. OD and AO. So what I want to write it, AO squared plus OD squared. Finish it. That's all. This is a relationship. Right, okay, next one. What we want to do with the next? We have to find it where's BO. So problem is there's another BO also there. Okay, good. So I'll move to the C part first, because C part they're given 2. That means the sides they given it. BO. Where's BO? BO. This is BO. Okay, good. Then where is the OC? OC mean this one. No? OC mean this one. Okay, OC also correct it. Now that means this is the third triangle. Here this is about the third triangle. What is the hypotenuse opposite to the 90? What is the hypotenuse? BC squared. I hope you understood. Sorry. I hope you understood third one. See, let us see. BC squared. So here you have to write the answer. That's all. Finish it. Then I'll come again the BO. Again BO is there. I mean this one. No? BO is there. This BO not only for the third diagram. It's for the second triangle also. BO is there. Okay. What is the hypotenuse of the second triangle? AB. AB. So I should write it here. What is that? AB squared is equal to BO squared. Other side is AO. AO squared. I hope you understood. Last one, you can do it. Let me number 4, triangle number 4, CD squared, CD or DC squared. Okay, DC squared. Other two sides are DO, OC. So I'll write it DO squared and OC squared. I hope you understood. So I'm not going to be just take it more time and just complete it all those things. If I can, with another session, I'll complete another 1 or 2 exercises, or even another the hard. If you just request, so this exercise is hard, can you just do it, right? So even what is that, the link and everything, I'll just send it. So just look at it. Even if you like it, if you think it's going to be useful for any other your friend or anyone else, please share that one and ask them to, if they need more. What is that, there's even some other the videos are there. If they want, they can watch that one and get a proper idea about the lesson and the subject. Okay, so inshallah, so we'll meet in another session, or we'll meet in another, what is that, the video clip. You can get idea about the lesson. So I hope you understood. So we'll meet within another session, within another 1 week, or within another maybe if I got a time, inshallah I'll do that one. So even I also just need to get a free time. I hope you understood the part what I explained today. So even you can share this one with your friends and enjoy it, and try to make use of this in your exams, or even while you are doing the sums. Okay, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for everyone.